Ecovacs Debit 661 Robot Vacuum, Black. Convertible vacuuming and mopping, Debit 661 has an interchangeable dustbin for vacuuming and water tank for mopping. Swap between the two to tackle all your floor cleaning needs. Optimized navigation, Debit 661 systematically navigates on hard floors for the perfect mopping. Up to 110-minute runtime, a longer battery life for even more cleaning. Auto return and charging means your robot will always be ready to clean. Max mode power, increase suction power by up to 2x for particularly troublesome messes. Basic features includes anti-drop and anti-collision sensors, auto-return charging, automatic software update, durable protective bumpers, high-efficiency filter, anti-scratch finish, a large easy-to-empty dustbin, large wheels for climbing thresholds, etc. Standard, 1 year, comes with 1. Charging dock, 2. Dual-length side brushes, 1. High-efficiency air filter, 1. Remote control with battery, 1. Cleaning tool, customer support. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.